What I wish I knew at 18 instead of 28? You don't need a degree to get an awesome job. Here are some DIY skills to get you started. First up, digital marketing. Learn social media management and SEO online. Businesses are always looking for digital wizards. Next, graphic design. Master tools like Canva and Photoshop, design eye-catching visuals and land freelance gig. Coding and web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Learn these and you're on your way to building websites. Video editing is in demand. Use software like Adobe Premiere Pro, edit videos and grab those editing jobs. Freelance writing, practice writing and start on platforms like Medium and Upwork. Companies need content creators. Virtual assistants, manage emails, schedules and social media, work remotely and stay organized. Photography, learn the basics in editing with Lightroom, capture moments and start your photography career. Sales and customer service. Hone your communication skills. Many roles offer on-the-job training in home improvement and repair. Learn plumbing, carpentry and more. Handy skills are always in demand. Lastly, drop shipping or e-commerce. Set up an online store with Shopify or Amazon. Sell products and run your own business. With dedication and practice, these skills can lead to amazing job opportunities. Start today and unlock your potential.